Caerdydd yn y glas i gyd, Wrexham yn y coch i gyd. Nawr un yn erbyn un fan hyn, mae angen canolbwyntio. Wrexham yn fler yn y cefnid am y tro cyntaf, mae'n glanio yn y gol. Eliza Colley sydd wedi sgorio. Sgoriodd un erbyn Wrexham yn y cwpan, mae wedi sgorio nhw yn y gyngrair, mae'n gol i ddim.
Eliza Colley just yn cymryd mantis fan'na, just cliriad uchel, gwastraffus really, ond Eliza Colley ddim yn rhoi fyny, a mae rhaid cystadlu bach yn well fan'na gan Katie Sharp fan'na. Oedd hi ddim yn hyderus o gwbl bod hi'n mynd i ennill y bêl yna, a weithiau mae rhaid just bod yn ddewr, ond oedd dim awydd 'da fi hyd yn oed cystadlu am y bêl, a wneith Eliza Colley ddim gwastraffu cyfleoedd.
Mae Caerdydd y cipio'r meddiad eto. Seren Watkins o bellter i Caerdydd. Bowland yn gwneud digon ar bar yn gymorth hefyd.
Chwarae teg i'r golgeidwyr fyna, oedd angen arbediad, ond Ken Allen, mae'n cael brynhawn i anghofio heddi, dwi ddim yn hyderus, mae'n neud camgymeriadau gyson anghywir yn anffodus, a mi oedd angen i'r golgeidwyr fyna Charlotte Bolland i camu fewn i sicrhau bod nhw ddim yn ildio ail gol.
Mae Price di ennill y frwydr, a mae Price yn gallu croesi. Mae'n ddwy dros bosib, camgymeriad unwaith eto, mor fler. A mae Colley yn manteisio eto, 2 gol ar blat ar brawn di Sul i Eliza Colley. Chwalfa yn y cefn o ran Wrexham.
Bêl hir lawr ar asgell fyna gan Megan Bowen. Ffion yn ennill y bêl, a mae'n chwip o groesiad, mae rhaid dweud, ond ar ergyr cyntaf am wan, really. Ond chwarae teg i Eliza Colley. Mae'n sicrhau bod hi'n ennill yr ail bêl fyna sydd yn dod oddi ar Boland. A mae rwyd yn wad neu gwedl, felly 2 gol i ddim, a gall Wrexham ddim cwyno.
Bant nhw eto, Kehoe drwy'r canol, os na gol arall i Caerdydd, heibio'r postyn. Wel, maen nhw'n creu cyfleoedd yn barod ar ddechrau'r ail hanner.
Dyw Wrexham heb dysgu gwersi. Mae Kehoe fan'na, ni'n gwybod pa mor dda wir fel dechnegwr, ond hefyd nawr, mae'n dangos cyflymder, mae'n dangos bod hi'n gallu mynd heibio am ddiffynwyr.
Price eto, chwipio honna mewn. Tia Richardson yn gadael i Cook. Yr eilyddion, Richardson yr cyffyrddiad! Yr eilydd yn taro ac yn dathlu. Tia Richardson, yr eilyddion yn cyfuno. Cook ar croesiad, Richardson ar cyffyrddiad. Mae'n gol hyfryd, mae'n anheiddi honna, mae'n 2 i ddim.
Wel, yr awydd i TJ Richardson eisiau cyrraedd y bêl yn gyntaf. Na'r angerdd, os ydych chi'n benderfynol o gyrraedd y bêl yn gyntaf o blaen yr amddiffynrwydd, a mae croesiad o'r safon yna yn ffeindio chi, wedyn y gwir yw, mi oedd hwnna'n chwip o gol.
Yeah, it's all positives. I thought we did really well throughout the 90 minutes. I think in possession we could have been a little bit better, but out of possession I thought we dominated the whole game, and I can't really remember a big chance that they had in the game. And it just shows that the players are all together, they're all playing as a unit, they're all fighting for the badge, and that's all you can speak about.
You looked comfortable from the word go, it has to be said. I mean, particularly in that midfield, like a well-oiled machine.
Exactly, with the girls all know what they're doing. We thought they'd match us up in our shape, and they did really well. Credit to Wrexham, they did really well. I just thought that out of possession, we dominated every 50-50, every tackle, and we just showed the team spirit that we got at the moment. And if we keep doing what we're doing, take it off one game at a time, we're going to have our rewards at the end of the season.
I'm pleased. I think it was a good game from the whole team today. We all stuck together. We all showed how much of a big occasion there is in front of fans, and how much the fans actually want to be here and watch us. So we wanted to come out here and show them that women's football is on the map and that we can play football.
You just mentioned there sticking together, and also that's something that the manager alluded to as well, that this is a really together group of girls, and that showed out on the pitch this afternoon.
I mean, yeah, it's like a family. Like we're all like one team, we're all together, subs. If you're not on the pitch, everyone's always supporting, and it's just nice to be around.
Eliza, can I ask you as well about the experience of coming back to this stadium to play? It's got to be special to be here in the Cardiff City Stadium.
I mean, yeah, it's always big for us. It's best team in Wales. Probably the best stadium in Wales as well. And as a team, we all know it's such a big occasion for all the fans to come and watch us. We just want to put on a good performance.
How determined are you as a squad to keep this unbeaten record that you've got going?
Yeah, I think obviously we're unbeaten this whole season. Was it last season as well when I wasn't here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so it's been like 2 seasons now, well, a season and a half, and I think we always want to win. We have 1 draw this season, but I think if we keep playing how we are and sticking together, we'll be unbeaten.
We've got to take a few positives out of it. I don't think we matched them as much as we probably should have in this game. I think, coming into it, we were looking at the positives from the last cup game. I think we got punished for mistakes. We've given 3 soft goals away really today, and ultimately when you're playing against the best teams, they're going to take those chances and punish you.
Do you think that it's important sometimes to remember that you are a newly promoted side in this league, and what you're doing here is building foundations for the future?
Absolutely, and I don't think anyone would have thought that we'd have done what we've done so far this season. And on reflection, yes, we're still a newly promoted team. We're punching well above our weight, I think, in our first season. So we've got to take a lot of positives, and we've got a good run of games coming now against the teams that are trying to pip us to that 4th spot. So we've got to take our medicine today and go from there and make sure that we get the maximum points going into the next 2 games.